So hello viewers, you're welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video we have these problems. So it's under matrices, okay? So we have two matrices. So and then they are 2 by 2 matrices, okay? So we have matrix A equals 1, 3, 2, 4, and we have matrix B which is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So and then we have to perform these following operations. So we have to find A plus B, we have to find A minus B, we have to find A multiplied by B. Okay? Now, before we dive into the solution, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks guys for watching. Okay, so let's dive into the solution. So the first thing is to find A plus B, that is, we have to add these two matrices. Okay, now let's add. So, row of figure 1, so we want to find A plus B. So, A is 1, 3, 2, 4, then plus B, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now let's add. So, if you add, you're going to add each entries. Okay, 1 plus 5 is going to give us 6. Okay, 3 plus 6 is going to give us 9. 2 plus 7 is going to give us 9. Then 4 plus 8 is going to give us 12. So that's just the addition of 2 by 2 matrices. You can see, just very simple. Add 1 to 5, add 3 to 6, add 2 to 7, then add 4 to 8, then you have your answer. So that is how you add a 2 by 2 matrices all together. Now, the next problem, which is A minus B. So they look alike all together. You perform the same operation there. So A minus B, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, then a minus 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is going to give us 1 minus 5, that's going to give us minus 4, 3 minus 6, that's going to give us minus 3, 2 minus 7, so that's going to give us minus 5, then 4 minus 8, that's going to give us minus 4. And so very easy, that's how you subtract 2 by 2 matrices, and that's how you add 2 by 2 matrices. 1 minus 5 is going to give us minus 4, 3 minus 6 is going to give us minus 3, 2 minus 7 is going to give us minus 5, then 4 minus 8 is going to give us minus 4. Okay, so we're done with row figure 1 and then row figure 2. So next thing we're going to do is the last question, that is we have to find AB, that is A multiplied by B. Alright, now let's do that now. So let's find A multiplied by B. Good. So A multiplied by B, that is 1, 3, 2, 4, then multiply by 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then how do you multiply 2 by 2 matrices? This is a called row by column operation. Are we together? That is, this is row, then this is column. So we're going to deal with the first row, then you're going to use this first row to multiply these two columns. Are we together? Then we use the second row to do the same thing. Okay, now let's start with the first row. That is 1 multiplied by 5, then plus 3 multiplied by 7. Okay, then you move to the next column here. 1 multiplied by 6, then plus 3 multiplied by 8. Okay, then you move to the next row. You do the same thing. 2 multiplied by 5, then plus 4 multiplied by 7. Okay, then 2 multiplied by 6, then plus 4 multiplied by 8. So that's very easy. Okay, very easy. You just have to be very careful when multiplying two matrices. Okay, so don't forget row by column. Use this row to multiply everything here, then do the same thing for the second column. Then we have these and we have these, then you have the first entry, the second entry, then you do the same thing for the second row. You are done. Okay, so let's complete this. So we're going to have AB equals, so 1 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 5, then 3 multiplied by 7 is going to give us 21, 1 multiplied by 6 is going to give us 6, and 3 multiplied by 8 is going to give us 24, okay, 2 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 10, okay, then the plus, 4 multiplied by 7 is going to give us 28, okay, so 2 multiplied by 6 is going to give us 12, then 4 multiplied by 8 is going to give us 32, okay, then we're going to have 5 plus 21 is going to give us 26, 6 plus 24 is going to give us 30, okay, then 10 plus 28 is going to give us 38, then 12 plus 32, that's going to give us 44. Okay, so that is the answer to that problem. So that's how you add, subtraction, and multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.